How to install Python, Windows Edition. First, we will navigate to the python.org website. Next, we will go to the Downloads section. After, we will download Python and we'll run a basic command. Let's navigate to the python.org website. Click on the downloads. Download the latest version of Python. Download Python. You will see a file pop up in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. Make sure to check add python.exe to path. Click install now. Once it says setup was successful, you can safely close the setup. Now on your Windows device, you can type idle. When you type idle, a Python idle should pop up. Make sure to click open. Once you have Python idle open, you can run a basic command. Print, open parentheses, quotation mark, and you can type anything you want in there. I'm going to write hello world. Close parentheses. Hit enter. If you see a response as hello world back or whatever you typed, that means you have successfully installed Python.